race number 2. The favorite number 1, Maker's Mark. Second choice, number 4, Winning Bid. And also selling Be My Queen. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Wind Beneath My Wings by the rail. It's Wind Beneath My Wings followed by McKissick, Be My Queen. And on the outside, Mr. Integrity, Winning Bid. And moving up by the rail, the favorite entry, number 1, Maker's Mark. And at the mid-back stretch, Wind Beneath My Wings followed by McKissick on the outside. And Be My Queen, Maker's Mark moving up on the inside, Winning Bid. And Mr. Integrity. Rounding the far turn, it is still Wind Beneath My Wings, followed by McKissick, and moving up on the inside, the favorite Maker's Mark. It's Wind Beneath My Wings in the lead, followed by Maker's Mark. Now moving up to grab the lead. It is now Maker's Mark in the lead, followed by Wind Beneath My Wings. McKissick moving up on the outside to take second. Mr. Integrity, Be My Queen, and Winning Bid. At the top of the stretch, it is still Maker's Mark, the entry number 1, the favorite, followed by Be My Queen and McKissick, and Wind Beneath My Wings, Mr. Integrity, and Winning Bid. And nearing the payoff line, it's still entry number 1, the favorite, Maker's Mark, and finally, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra, number 1, Maker's Mark. Be My Queen.